Starting to clean. Starting to clean again. Avoiding an obstacle. Finished cleaning. Returning to the station.
Braava Jet mopping robot helps keep your floors fresh and clean every day with wet, damp, and dry cleaning modes and corresponding Braava Jet cleaning pads. Braava Jet automatically adapts the way it cleans to the job at hand with no additional cleaning solutions required. Our wet mopping and damp sweeping pads both include a mild, water-activated cleaning agent already in the cleaning pad. The Braava Jet robot automatically recognizes each pad you put on. So how do you choose the cleaning pad that's right for the job? To tackle dirt and stains on well-sealed floors, including hardwood, tile, and stone, choose the wet mopping pad with its mild, water-activated cleaning agent. While wet mopping, Braava Jet moves with a triple pass pattern, just like you would. The robot drives forward a short distance to one side, then backs up and moves to the other side, alternating as it moves through your room to provide triple pass coverage of each section of your floor and leaving a clean, fresh scent. If you want to remove everyday dust and dirt from sealed wood, tile, and stone floors, use a damp sweeping pad. With the damp sweeping pad, Braava Jet cleans with a mild, water-activated cleaning agent, using a thorough, single-pass cleaning method and leaving a fresh, clean scent. If you're looking to have Braava Jet sweep away dirt, dust, and pet hair, choose the dry sweeping pad. This pad is specially treated to lock away what it picks up as Braava Jet moves forward in a single pass. The dry sweeping pad has a fresh, clean scent and can be used on hard floors, including hardwood, tile, and stone. An alternative to a disposable wet mopping pad is the washable wet mopping pad. The washable wet mopping pad does not contain a cleaning agent, using only water to clean away dirt and stains from well-sealed floors, including hardwood, tile, and stone. This reusable pad uses the same triple pass cleaning pattern as the wet mopping disposable pad, but can be washed up to 50 times before replacing.
Tired of cleaning the house all the way down? ILIFE Shinebot can take your turn to do the rest of the work. Add clean water and it's ready to go. Shinebot W400 Tidal Power Cleaning System works in 4 steps: moisten, scrub, suction, and scrape to thoroughly clean household stains. No matter soda, ketchup, or coffee stains, it tackles thick household stains and builds you a spotless home. And it keeps clear of the areas that you don't want it to clean, leaving a safe space for you. Turn on the edge cleaning mode. Nothing can hide from the edges and corners. Its strong suction ensures to refresh your house when it passes by. ILIFE Shinebot, the intelligent floor washing robot.
DEEBOT U2 family.
I am starting the clean.
Now it's my turn. First, something easy. Debris and dirt, piece of cake. Max Plus mode handles larger debris. Dried stains, mop it up, no problem. With the large dustbin and reservoir, I can vacuum and mop your entire home in one go with minimal supervision. Hard floor mode follows an advanced back and forth cleaning pattern. And here's a surprise. Dog hair or cat hair doesn't matter. With the new pet care kit that comes with extra large dustbin that holds 800 milliliters and a tangle-free brush that prevents tangling. It's my talent to deal with pet hair. Plus, I can work tirelessly for 150 minutes and will automatically return to my charging station so that you don't have to worry. DEEBOT U2 Family 2020 launch. Even your pet says yes.
Introducing Narwal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose if you ask me. Narwal is totally self-cleaning. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LIDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwal will make you wish you'd found it sooner. Narwal is built by a dedicated team of engineers and visionaries.
I got the idea to build Narwal when I saw my mom struggling with mopping housework every day. So I decided to build a robot to help her and everyone in the world. We hope you can support us.